Hello there, how's going on, lads? What's up with you? It's been a month. I couldn't create a video. I was quite busy with my some projects, pending tasks, and all these things. In this video, we're gonna take a look at WebXR. So maybe you may familiar that WWDC 24 they have update in this week about the immersive web experience with WebXR, which means that they're going to add a full immersive experience to your website in a Vision OS, and also we can take a full advantage of these capabilities. We can use the simulator to test this WebXR in macOS as well. So one of my LinkedIn connection just shared a tool which they own to build this AR, VR, XR models and other features. That's what we cannot take a look about in this video. The tool engine is called like a wonderlandengine.com. I'll be sharing this link in my video description. So it's an engine for web to create 3D models about this performance to run on the mobile, desktop and XR kind of stuff. So as they said that you can download the full version and use it for free up to a threshold of 120k US dollar per year. So what I did is just went for a sign in, and I registered it already. And one for the first time, if you're trying to register, they'll be asking for the email verification. Once you verify that, you can be logged in completely inside this. Here you can download the tool which they provide for there's also some instructions. You can just go and follow up all these things. So I am using this macOS M1 chips, so I have clicked on this and went for a download from here. So if you're using Windows or Linux, some other you can OS, some you may use accordingly, and download this. If you're looking for instruction also, you can go and check for that. All right, so once after doing the installation, so what I just have this in my applications folder. Let me open this here. So it's like a Wonderland editor, and I just browsed for some projects, so I find some of the resources which they give already. So in this site itself they have given about the pricing options, all these things, but initially we can try it for free for now. All right, so in this case there's have showcases, some pretty very good nice stuffs, which is like showcase some of the models, some of the sources also which they provide as well. And what I did was I tried to download all these things and let me explore on one of them each. That's what I decided. So and if you're going there from here, you can go to the next project, next folder, which is on the Git. So once you come there in the Wonderland Engine, they have some few pretty sample projects which we can explore and try to do everything else over there. Alright, so these are the stuffs. I will also provide this link in my video description if you want that. And also I have found good is this one is pretty very good, nice one, which is called Mouse. It is like a WebXR game on Hey project. So I have this is the Git resource which they provide. So I tried to download from here. Just click on the code, and from here just you don't need to go for a download zip. So easily I can download it. I already downloaded that. Okay, and after doing that, what I did is I just went to this and tried to open that. Like this, and inside this is the main part which they have. And this is actually I opened from a project. If you're opening for the first time, it like new project, so you can have options like empty, if you want a scene, if you want a VR AR. Based on that, you can create a project from here just like this, and we can add some objects and explore more stuff over there as well. For time being, I'm not going to there, so I'm just trying to use their own thing which I downloaded, this one, mouse defense, and let me try over that. Okay, let me open it again. I'm going to click on this, select opened. All right, I'm not going to do anything else. I'm just going to click on this play button. Here are the some stuffs which they have already, which is called, this is for the play, which we can go run it as in a simulator, how it looks like and all these things. There are some edit options, asset browsing, all these things. We can add objects, all these things, but I'm not going to do all these things today. I just want to explore one of the scene which they have provided already. I just click the run button over there, and it went to over here. It's pretty good and nice look. It's a mouse kind of game, and you can shoot it over there. Pretty nice, right? It's very fast, as I said. This is very fast tool. I think that if you're doing some XR or VR projects, just explore it. This, and nowadays there are more requirements in the WebXR as well. So try to download this and make use of it for the free resource. And let me know about your comments. How do you feel about this tool as well? All right. So that's all on this video. Like explore it. I will provide all the links in my video description. So just have a explore, and yeah, that's all in this video. And we will be trying to make much more videos about WebXR with other tools. Also, this tools also we will try to do some scratch projects. How we can make the models and all these things. Okay. All right then. Thank you for watching. That's all in this video. See you in the next video. Bye.